Hello everyone. My axe is old, rusty, and dull, so chopping is no longer effective. It's really dangerous and exhausting. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation. I'm starting with an old motorcycle sprocket. I'll use a ruler and a marker to carefully mark out the sections I plan to cut. Next, I'm securing the sprocket firmly in a vise to keep it stable. Then, I'm using an angle grinder to meticulously cut along the lines I just marked. The goal here is to carefully remove the unwanted sections of the sprocket, transforming it into the initial rough shape of one of our axe blades. This requires a steady hand to get clean cuts. Now, I'm cutting the other side of the sprocket with the angle grinder. I'm cutting the teeth of a metal sprocket. This step completes the rough shaping of the first axe blade. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. It's really starting to look like a usable tool now, with a distinct, sharp-edged profile. Moving on, I'm taking a sturdy metal pipe. I will place the metal tube over the cut gear to mark the exact position where the axe blade will be attached. This helps me visualize the assembly and ensures I cut the pipe to the exact length and shape needed to fit the axe head perfectly. I'm now securing the pipe in the vise and using the angle grinder to cut a precise slot into the end. This slot is essential because it will house the axe blade, providing a snug and robust connection between the handle and the head. After cutting the slot, I will weld a nut to the end of the metal tube. This will be the rotating system for easily attaching and detaching the tool head. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm carefully welding the slotted end of my homemade axe blade together. This ensures the blade will be securely held in place, preventing any wobbling or loosening during heavy use. To ensure a smooth and clean finish, I'm grinding down the fresh weld on the pipe. This not only improves the appearance of the handle, but also removes any rough edges, making it safe and comfortable to hold. I'm marking the lines for sharpening to form the axe blade. I'm using an angle grinder to meticulously sharpen the axe blade to achieve the desired edge. I'm currently using a gas torch to heat the blade of my homemade axe until it glows red. This high temperature is essential for the hardening process. It brings the metal to a critical temperature, preparing it for rapid cooling. Immediately after heating, I dip the hot axe blade into a bowl of oil. You can see smoke and hear a sizzling sound, indicating that the hardening process has been successful. Now for our second creative tool. I'm taking another gear and arranging some small bolts in the center of it in a circle. Using a soldering iron, I carefully attach each bolt to the gear, creating a solid core. This design will be extremely effective for creating a sturdy tool for chopping. With the bolts securely welded, I'm now using my grinder to clean up the welds. I'm marking new lines on the outer edges of the sprocket. These new lines will guide our next cuts, shaping the tool into its final, distinct form. I'm using the angle grinder to carefully cut along the lines I just marked. This step transforms an original round shape into a more angular, axe-like form. This new design is perfect for our multi-tool, allowing for powerful chopping. Back at the clamp, I'm securing the newly shaped head. I'm using an angle grinder to cut away the teeth of the sprocket. I repeat the marking process to sharpen it. I'm carefully sharpening both sides to achieve a symmetrical and sharp edge, ready for use. Look at that shine. I'm really pleased with how this is turning out. Now, I'm taking a simple bolt and inserting it into the chuck of my power drill. With the bolt securely in place, I'm welding it to the main head. This creates an unyielding bond, ensuring our new sharp point won't come loose during any heavy-duty tasks. I have a long metal tube, which serves as the handle for the tool. I have a bolt, and I'm welding it to a long metal tube to create a flexible rotating structure for my homemade tool. After welding, I carefully clean and smooth the weld joint of bolt. This ensures a clean finish and a secure, flat mounting point for whatever we decide to connect to it. To increase the grip and durability of my tool handles, I'm wrapping a heavy-duty chain around a metal tube. Then, I carefully weld the chain links to the tube, creating a textured surface, almost like armor. This not only enhances the tool's aesthetics, but also provides a non-slip surface, crucial for safety and control during heavy-duty work. Now, to the final step of the assembly process. I'm attaching the main axe head to the long handle. This officially completes our ultimate multi-tool. Let's test out our newly crafted axe tool. As you can see, it cut through this thick, sturdy branch with surprising ease. The sharp, hardened edges slice cleanly, making quick work of what would typically be a laborious task with conventional tools. I'm continuing to demonstrate its impressive wood-splitting capabilities. The weight and sharpness of the head make it incredibly effective. This one tool can handle so many different tasks. I'm removing the axe head and replacing it with a second chopping head. Look how easily it's interchangeable. I'm using this second chopping head to chop electrical wires with ease, without any difficulty at all. It's a true all-rounder, and I couldn't be happier with the result. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.